So this does say the bristles are nylon products. They may be deformed during transportation. Just use hot water or blow with a hairdryer to restore the original conditions. So that's kind of nice. Okay, so comes with these two little individual bottle brushes, and then this is the long hose cleaner. So this is the star of the show. Nice long thing. It's stiff enough that you can actually run this thing up and down without having to worry about it bending and kinking up. I checked a bunch of different brands of these things, and one of the things that keeps on coming up is that the brush itself comes detached. This one is definitely on there fairly well, so that's very good. This is the hose for the ResMed AirSense 11. As you can see, they no longer use the elbows on the ends here. This is nice and straight, and they did that just so you can fit these down the end. Now, what I'll often see people do is they'll just run hot soapy water through here. They'll just kind of slosh it around and then drain it out. And that's okay, but you never really get it fully clean. There's always going to be some grime that just kind of sits in there, and you don't want anything like that building up inside your airway. So you can just take this guy and run it through, and you will still want to do this in the sink so that you got that soapy water, because you want to have the fluid, you want to have the soap, and you want to have the brush all working together. And when you're done, just pop it out, and your hose is going to be as clean as it can get. And if we compare the length of this to the length of the hose, it looks like the hose is just a little bit longer, so you'll have to brush it from both sides to get the full hose. Now on this particular hose, you can see there is nothing impeding on the plug side, but on the open side there is a little notch right there. So you want to make sure that you're careful around that. You don't want to damage that. So it'll still work, you just kind of got to work it around that. So no problem, just be a little bit more careful on this side. So overall, that is a very nice cleaning kit.